The last thing you want to do is make bad decisions that cost you thousands of dollars, especially when it comes to weather. Why play armchair weatherman with several weather apps on your phone when you can partner with expert meteorologists from Neoweather that give you accurate and reliable weather forecasts? With Neoweather, you get a highly detailed forecast customized to fit your service area and operation. It's not a general forecast. It's specific for snow removal impacts. Our visually pleasing products ensure you have all the information you need to make decisions prior to and during winter storms. They're delivered to you in our easy-to-use weather portal, which also includes an interactive radar and other weather data that allows you to refine your plan of attack. Our 24/7 support and text message service ensures that you have timely weather updates day and night. Municipalities and Department of Public Works use our service to prepare around the timing of storms, snow amounts, other precipitation types, and critical temperatures for freezing issues. How will the road conditions actually be? We deliver the specifics that apps and TV can't answer. Our information provides peace of mind and much better decision making. You can run more efficient while saving taxpayer money and creating safer roads for the public. Turn to a proven company you can trust. Turn to Neoweather for accurate and dependable weather information.